In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Lists on your PC. This is a quick and simple process, and the good news is that you can do it directly from your web browser without needing to search for a separate download. If you use Microsoft Lists regularly, installing it on your PC can make it feel more like a dedicated desktop app, which can be more convenient for everyday use. To get started, go to your Microsoft Lists home dashboard. Make sure you're on the main Microsoft Lists page in your browser before moving on. This is important because the install option usually appears when the app is open and recognized by the browser as something that can be installed. If needed, give the page a moment to fully load so all the browser options appear properly. Once you're on the Microsoft Lists home dashboard, look up at your browser's address bar where the website URL appears. In that area, you should see a small icon that looks like a computer screen with an arrow on it. This is the install icon, and it's what allows you to add Microsoft Lists to your PC as an app. Depending on the browser you're using, the icon may be positioned slightly differently, but it will generally be near the right side of the address bar. Go ahead and click that computer and arrow icon. When you do, your browser will open a small pop-up window asking if you want to install the app. This confirms that Microsoft Lists can be installed directly from the page you're on. If you don't see the pop-up immediately, just check whether your browser opened it near the top of the window or close to the address bar. When the Install App pop-up window appears, click Install. After that, your browser will begin installing Microsoft Lists on your PC. This usually only takes a few moments. Once the installation is complete, Microsoft Lists may open automatically in its own separate window, which makes it feel more like a standalone application instead of just a browser tab. That's it. Microsoft Lists is now installed on your PC. From here, you can usually launch it again from your desktop, your Start menu, or wherever your computer stores newly installed apps. If you want a smoother workflow, you can also pin it to your taskbar for faster access in the future. And that's how to install Microsoft Lists on your PC.